Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me again at Pip Valley. My name is Roy Machingura, and we're going to be looking at our second segment of the day, or second episode of the day, where we're going to look at the Usdzar. So we're going to do the pre-market analysis. So we'll be looking at the levels which we are looking at, or the direction, the general direction in which we are preparing to take our trades. I encourage you to stay up to the end because I'm going to share the book that has also helped me with my trading, but it's not a trading related book. You would find it very interesting, because we'll be looking at issues regarding habits. So I'll be sharing two books that I've actually read that contributed to my implementation of better habits when it comes to trading and life in general. So without wasting much of your time, let's get into our analysis. So we'll start with the monthly analysis. So in the remaining weeks of December, we'll be referring to this video as far as the monthly time frame is concerned, because there is no need for us to repeat the same thing, as the monthly time frame will only change on 1 January 2021. All right, so without wasting much of our time, let's get into our analysis. We're going to put in two scenarios: a trend trade. This can be approached via a trade or a breakout trend. Right. As far as the trend trade is concerned, what we can see is that it has formed the first touch, then the second touch, or if you want, you can also call this the third touch, right? And now, so the price is coming now for the fourth time or for the third time. The price having retested and established this trend line, what we'll be expecting is that if this trend line holds as a support zone, the price is going to form a higher low from here, and then from which we'll be expecting a bullish movement now to continue, and go all the way up to 17.98147. Or alternatively, this support zone may fail to hold. After failing to hold, the price will break this support zone formed by the trend line, and also pull back to retest it before going all the way down. And on the monthly chart, I'm expecting it to go all the way down to 13.90236. Right, so as far as the breakout now, what I'm expecting is that since the price has broken this zone and went here, and now is come to retest the zone as a support zone, if the support zone holds, then the price will move all the way up and get to this zone, since it would have formed a higher low, and also since this zone would have held as a support zone. Alternatively, what we can expect based on the breakout trade rules, we can expect that this may become a false breakout, right? And if it is a false breakout, what we are going to notice is that this zone is not going to hold as a support zone. So the price will break this zone. Then after breaking this zone, it might retest and then go all the way down to 13.90236. So these are the moves that we'll be expecting in the Usdzar monthly chart. So we'll now move on to the Usdzar weekly. So as far as the weekly is concerned, what we're expecting is that the price will continue based on this structure below, this structure above of the head and shoulder pattern. The price may just retrace, since it's now trading at lower lows. I'm not going to sell unless the price pulls back so that it forms a lower high. So what we'll be expecting is that at this particular point, the price is going to reverse, right, and come on to maybe retest the zone, but most importantly, it will come and form a lower high, from which we'll be taking bearish trades, expecting the price to go all the way down to 14.39096. Alternatively, because of the strong trend that we have been noticing, the price may also continue. Since we can see that there's a bearish pin bar here, the price may just continue all the way down and retest and test this 14.39096 zone, then come back to retest this 15.21600 as a resistance zone now, before going all the way down to 13.56593. So as far as the bullish positions is concerned, as I indicated before, that I'm not expecting to take any bullish position on this, but there might be a scenario, since I don't control anything, right? There is a scenario that the reversal here might end up breaking this neckline zone, coming back to pull back and forming a higher low, maybe below above 15.21600, and then go all the way up to 17.69110, which will be a reversal trade all in all. This is what I'll be expecting as far as the weekly is concerned, but as I'm going to emphasize, according to my trading plan, I'm not going to take bullish positions. So now we'll move on to the Usdzar daily chart. What I'll be expecting as far as the dollar rand is concerned is that I'll be expecting that, since the price is now having a double top here, I'll be expecting the price to move all the way down as a breakout trade, and it is going to test the next SNR level. Alternatively, what I'll be expecting is that the price may, instead of this double top holding, this double bottom may actually hold, and the price may become a reversal trade. But again, since I have overwhelming support in terms of my trading plan that the bearish trades will continue, I'm not going to care much about the bullish trades. I'll be only focused on the bearish breakout trades. So this is as far as the Usdzar is concerned. So thank you very much, guys, for joining me. I really appreciate the time that you put in to come and watch, and I'm also hoping that if you are not learning anything, at least these preparations, these monthly preparations, they are helping you maybe not do them for yourself, on your own, or maybe you are now relying on this preparation that I'm doing for your own trading. This is my hope. My hope is that at the end of the day, we grow together in as far as our trading is concerned, and I also hope that we are learning from each other. So thank you very much, guys, for joining me, and you have a pleasant December. Roy Machingura out.